now we are going to discuss combustion stages in SI engines. Okay, these are very important topic. In this unit, you will get question from MDU in final exam. Explain the stages of combustion in SI engine. So you mark it as very, very important. Most very, very important. Okay, so that is very important question also. So you have to learn these questions. This is purely theoretical only. So we can explain. In the last lecture we have defined what is combustion, what is flame, what is auto ignition, self ignition, and thereafter we have discussed the ignition limits also. See, combustion stages in SI engine can be explained by the help of two things. One is pressure, another is this is pressure rise. Okay, another is this is angle theta, crank angle. Okay, so this is TDC, this is pressure. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. In a similar way here also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, so see, this diagram is pressure rise versus crank angle. This is angle theta, TDC towards this one and this side also. So, point A is, we can call it as, point is a spark point. A spark point. That means fuel is ignited here, just a spark is produced there, but A and B, from A to B is called ignition lag, or this is delay period, it is also called delay period. See, let me write first this way steps. B to C is flame propagation, and C to D is after burning or termination of fuel ignition. Okay, so combustion stages in SI engine can be explained by the help of two diagrams. This diagram can also be this is P, this is compression, during compression, and from here during expansion. Okay, so this is 180 degree and this is 360 degree towards the crank angle. See now, this pressure rise here, this is something, compression means it is something like a spark point, then there will be ignition lag, flame propagation, this one, and their expansion takes place. So let us explain these steps by the help of these two diagrams. Though the point is ignited near about 22 degree, that is at point A, that is spark creates at that point, but all the fuel will not be ignited, fuel will not ignited in the combustion chamber, because fuel has to attain its self ignition temperature and it will have the temperature equal to the flame, then only it will start burning. So fuel will ignite exactly at point B. So point A to B, A is a spark point, but AB is ignition lag or delay period. It has to be ignited at point A, but it could not be ignited due to temperature variation inside the cylinder. So actual ignition starts from, fuel burning starts from point B. So it is called ignition lag or delay period, A to B. Okay, at B, fuel starts igniting and there will be temperature rise, sudden temperature rise, due to which pressure increases here. See, sudden rise in the pressure. Then what will happen? This pressure will be maximum. So that is called flame propagation from B to C. After attaining high temperature at point C, then burning will not stop, but it will go on decreasing, that is temperature goes on decreasing inside the cylinder till the point D. We can call it as after burning. Temperature will be there, all the fuel burning will not over at one point, it will take some time. So after burning or termination of fuel injection, C to D, it is called C to D effect. Okay, and this is called fired cycle, this is called theoretical cycle. Motoring curve is theoretical cycle and it is called fired cycle. Okay, so this is combustion stages in SI engine can be explained by this diagram, that is called P theta, theta is the crank angle, and pressure rise, point A is called the spark point, AB is ignition lag, flame propagation is B to C and C to D. Okay, B to C and C to D, not B to D, it is C to D, it is after burning effect. So this is compression. Due to compression, see here, condition is pressure rise like this at point C to D, that is this point, that is sudden pressure rise, and this is in expansion ratio, this is expansion and this is compression, that is also pressure rise during the compression and expansion. And I will discuss rest of the thing in next class. Thank you.